Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you guys very much for joining. So by request, I've got a little ask for a little bit of the solo of "Waiting in the Velvet Sea." Great, great song. Such a fun song to play along to. So I'm going to go over just kind of what I was messing around with there. This is one of those solos I think if you listen to the studio version, you can get a pretty good sense for what Trey's doing. We're going to go over the scale that I believe this one is in, and go over just a couple of the patterns that I like to play around with. Hopefully this will get you guys going and create some amazing jams of your own. But as always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Let's hop in. All right, guys. So the jam for Velvet Sea, the chords are it's G, D, E minor, C, and D. So that's what they're playing over and over and over there. And the scale that I'm using here, we've got a little E minor pentatonic. And I will make sure I have that up on the screen so you guys can see that. But what's interesting to me about this one is a lot of the times, a lot of the notes or the phrases that I'm playing, I go out of that scale and then come back into it. And I think that kind of gives you a little bit of that tension release, and it's actually really cool. It sounds fantastic. But what I started off with here, so right there, I've gone out of the scale here. All right. So I'm starting here on this 19th fret, starting on this B. So again, that B, so that 19th fret to the 15th, to the 17th, back up to the 15th, and then to this 14th fret here, which is out of the scale. As you can see, it's not a part of this pentatonic scale, but it sounds great. Sounds great with this song. So this is an F sharp, and I haven't quite figured out exactly why that note works well there, because I haven't pinpointed exactly what chord they're playing when I throw that in there, but it sounds. I'm 99.9% sure that's what Trey kind of kicks it off with. So that's a really good first phrase to get you going there. So again, do that one more time here. So 19th fret, 15, 17, 15, 14, and that's all on that high E. That's another really good one too to kind of add in there. So we're doing there. We're going back to the 15th fret here on that E. 14th. Okay. So we're going to the 15th here. Back to the 14th. So now we're going over to the B string here, and we're on 17 and 15. So we're going back and forth there. Sorry. I think that's a really good, clean way of kind of ending that first phrase there. So, excuse me. So again, there's just 17th fret here on the G to the 15th on that B. So I'm going to play through that one more time here. So that's a really good phrase to kind of get you going, get you started with it, and then obviously from there, it's about listening to the song and playing what you feel. Honestly, it's really what it boils down to. Once you know kind of what notes and what not work, then it becomes playing to feel. Another piece that I really like to, another little phrase or walk down I like to play in here as well. All right, so that one starts on this G here. So we're on the 12th fret of the G string, which is a G. So we're going from 12 to 14 to 16 here. So G, A, B. And then, so again here we go out of that scale to hit that C. And the C, I know the C works because there's a C chord as a part of this progression. Okay, so we're just doing. And again here, just on that B, so we're D, E, back to the D there. So again, that's all part of the scale. Then I like this little slide here as well. So again, we're sliding from the 17th of this B. So then we're going to our, I guess this is an F. Looks like we're hitting an F here. So let me go through that one more time here. And again, like I said, from there, once you get a couple of these phrases down and kind of know what scale you're playing in, then it is up to you. It's up to you to play some stuff and come up with some nice lines to play around with. But I hope these lines get you going here. And I haven't actually found any backing tracks out there for this, so I just looped the chords on my acoustic guitar. And that's what I was playing along with earlier. I can put that up there as well for anyone that might want that to help along as well. But hope you guys have fun with it. Thanks, guys.